How to fix Mail and Calendar app not opening on Windows. 1. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. 2. Run SFC and DISM scans, as admin. Commands include, sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-help-dism/online/cleanup-image/restore-health 3. Check for Windows update. 4. Re-register the Mail and Calendar app. Run GetApps package alerts Microsoft.Windows Communications apps for each AppsPackage package disable development mode register $__install location \appexmanifest.xml command in Windows PowerShell as an administrator. 5. Repair or reset the Mail and Calendar app. 6. Uninstall, run. GetApps package Microsoft.Windows Communications apps remove apps package command in Windows PowerShell as an administrator, and reinstall the Mail and Calendar app.